What's up people, this is a gameplay video of my recent game that I played at what used to be called Hell's Airsoft in Derby. It is now called Shadow 1. The site has changed owners a few times. But yeah, this is just a chop up of my recent gameplay. I was using my KWA Lm4D, and you'll see later on in the video that I had a little bit of an issue with it that has basically left the gun unusable till I get it fixed pretty much. So yeah, not so happy about that. Considering it's a KWA, I was quite surprised this happened. But let's get into the video.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
3, 2, 1, game on!
What's your left side? What's your left side? Do you want to push across?
There's a demon right there.
No, in the dark hallway. Dark hallway. No, seems to have locked up on me.
So yeah, I started to get the first problem with the gun right about now, literally in the first game.
Not the first game. What the f is going on with this?
So yeah, I was starting to get kind of annoyed at this point, literally the first game in, and it kept jamming up and it kept gassing out.
Yeah. There we go. Oh. Get 2 mags down already.
Go down, go through the house. Just a roll.
So this section of the map is quite dark. There's a few little rooms that you can sort of find your way through. Took me a little while to get used to it because I haven't been to this site in over 2 years, so they've done a few changes, and personally I kind of like the changes, but I feel like it could have done with having more things done. I feel like a few of the structures could have been moved, because I did feel like parts of the day basically it felt like we were just getting bottlenecked, and this was the first open day that they've had since they've opened the new site as it is, and there was at one point I was told 50 players in basically a unit, which is too many people if I'm being completely honest. I think 30 people at this site is most, 50 in the side, that's like top, do you know what I mean? But I felt like we just kept getting bottlenecked in the middle, and I felt like neither side could really push, so yeah.
I know. They're still in that dark hallway. I've got one down. My 12, my 12, my 12, my 12, my 12.
So yeah, that kept happening.
Oh, what the is going on with this, man?
I was getting really frustrated at this point, if I'm being completely honest. I was like 3 mags in, I've only got 4, and each one I basically gassed out. I was down to 1.5 mags I think at this point.
One down. He's hit. He's around the corner. The one in the tavern, my 12, my 12. Yeah, still in, my 12, my 12, my 12.
Yeah, I haven't got your 12.
He's blind firing as well.
Yeah, your 12 is like my 2 or 4.
Yeah, you're 2 and 4. I've only got my 12, no one else.
I've got my 12 at the moment.
Yeah.
There's no point.
So You got to throw it against the wall. Is that friendly or what?
So just for reference, we were on the non-bands team and we were against the bands team, and I'm pretty sure that player didn't have a band and he was shooting at me for some reason. I was a little bit confused about that.
There might be a guy behind the marshal. I can't tell. Got one down. He's hit, he's hit, he's hit. Yeah, yeah, you're clear. You're clear.
Oh, that way, shit.
Yeah. Nathan, watch where you're standing there. Do you want to get behind me, Nathan, and cover that left?
No, I'm left-handed, so...
My trial.
Got him.
You got him? Nice one. Is that a marshal back?
No, there's one right there, isn't there?
Yeah.
You see him keep popping out.
Yeah.
There's one on the right! There's one on the right in the top.
Hit.
So this was basically the next game. That was the first game of the day just, and this is the next game of the day. This is just some footage from our other teammate Nathan. Yeah, we both run GoPros on this day, so I decided to try and chop in some of his footage as well, especially when we're together because it works.
On the right here, the machine is using
Push up.
He's in that corridor, mate. Oh, you've got higher rate of fire than me, you have. I've got the one on the left.
Do you want to? It's up to you.
Oh, there's one right here. Yeah, there's one right. Yeah, deploy it.
Down there. Hey, run. Go run.
So at this point I was behind hard cover, hence why I shot him. This player got a little bit confused. I was round the corner and he took the hit and realised that I didn't actually get taken out by the grenade. Let me know if you like this type of editing when there is me and Nathan and possibly a few others on the team, so I can get an idea of what type of gameplay you like, because we all try to run GoPros if we can, but sometimes it's a bit hard to piece in each other's head cam footage on the same video. So let me know if you prefer that or if you prefer just basically me.
One,
I wasn't sure whether that was a ricochet of a friendly fire, which doesn't count in this game mode at this site, so I didn't take the hit just in case, because it pretty much felt like friendly fire.
I think straight down the corridor. Straight down the corridor. Clear one? No? Yeah, straight down the corridor. Don't know if that was a ricochet or not. Go ahead. Hit! Good shot, good shot, good shot. I'm on it. Yeah, left, yeah. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Left side, left side. Go! I don't know, I haven't seen anyone on the right, but I know there's one on the left at least.
Yeah, straight through the doorway.
I think you're clear on the right side. Oh! Is that a ricochet? Fuck! I'll just call it anyway.
I decided to call this because it felt like I got hit by a BB, but I wasn't too sure whether it was a ricochet, so I just decided to take it.
Left side, left side, left side.
Hit!
Yep, go, 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 go.
So at this point I'm already out because there was a grenade that just went off right there, and the marshal said that everyone in that area was hit, so I had to walk back to respawn. It's not too bad on this site because the respawn is literally like a 5-second walk back and you're back in basically where you was. It's a very small site, it's a very intense site. So at this point, this is where I decided to start to get the issue with my gun, and I don't actually fully understand how this happened, but it was shooting perfectly fine, and I just want to say this is a full metal gas blower back gun as well. So here you can see I'm firing, BBs are coming out, I hear something metal drop on the floor, I look down and I realise that it's my charging handle, and the head of the charging handle completely snapped off, which really surprised me that that actually happened. And as you can see now, just put my mags away, back in the safe zone, and I'm judging at this point whether to just go home, because I'm surprised that this actually happened. I did bring 2 backup guns with me, but funnily enough, I had an AAPO1 that I was going to use, that's got a carbine kit on it. For some reason, the drum mag didn't seem to work that day. Yeah, I tried it the week before and it was fine. So yeah, if you want to see more footage, more gameplay videos like this where I talk over it, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.